Meet CivDot, the autonomous robot revolutionising construction site layouts. What never eats, never sleeps, and works 8 times faster than a human. Say hello to CivDot, the autonomous layout robot from Civ Robotics. Built for construction site, CivDot takes your project CSV coordinate file and gets to work. No warm-up, no coffee needed. It lays out precise paint marks, project layouts, outlines, and can cover up to 3,000 points over 17 miles in just one shift, compared to a human surveyor who might manage 400 points on a good day. But it's not replacing people, it's teaming up with them. Once CivDot marks the ground, a worker follows up to place physical stakes or flags, ensuring everything holds up under real-world conditions. With 8mm accuracy and round-the-clock stamina, CivDot is transforming construction layout into faster, smarter process. No fuss, no fatigue, just precision at speed. It's not science fiction, it's on site. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.